girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Bad girl and your friends bad too. You got the swag, so she do the swag too. Baby,
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, we have a video sponsored by Unice and I cannot wait to get into it. But before we do, let's do this unboxing and show you everything that I got. So the first thing in this box was this HD wig cap. You'll also receive this melting band, which is great for melting that lace. And they also sent this custom Unice comb, which I thought was cool. Okay, branding, I see you. So let's get into this unit. So this is the unit that I'm reviewing today. This is a closure unit, you guys, and look at the curls, so bomb, straight out of the box. Hello. And look at that, bleached knots, you guys. The knots are so bleached and the knots are really tiny on this unit as well, so that is just a win-win. I mean, look at that, just bomb. And the lace is pre-cut for you. This is a 7 by 5 inch closure unit. It is a glueless unit. It has combs and it also has an adjustable strap with it as well. So this is what the unit looks like on a mannequin head, and today I am going to be styling this unit on a mannequin head, and I'm going to be adding these really cool braids to this closure unit. I've been seeing this style like around Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, you name it, and I was like, this would be the perfect unit to do it with. And these are the knots. Once again, I just wanted to show you how natural this unit looks. The knots are bleached, the lace is pre-cut, and it's pretty much ready to wear straight out of the box. But let's go ahead and switch it up because we don't want to be basic and wear it in a middle part with 2 swoops for baby hair. We're going to do something a little bit more fun and have people looking twice. So here is the parting space. I just wanted to show you guys exactly where those tracks start and where the closure ends and begins. This is the comb that I'm going to be using today, which is going to be essential for getting that part nice and straight. I'm first going to start by taking out some of the baby hair, and then I'm going to part the area where I want the tracks to be covered. And you want to make sure you do not skip this step, because if you do, you're going to braid it and then you're just going to be able to see tracks. So make sure you do take out some extra hair to cover up the tracks and take out some hair for your baby hair. Now, if you don't want to do baby hair, you can skip the baby hair, but definitely make sure you part it and cover up those tracks. Then use a clip to just pull all of that hair out of your way. I'm also going to take a little bit more baby hair out here in the very front, and then I'm going to start doing my part for the braids. You also want to make sure you pin the front of this unit down if you are styling it on a mannequin head, just to make sure that the unit doesn't slip away. So I am going to be using this Ebon New York product. I really have been liking this specifically to braid with. It is so amazing. It really keeps all of the hair in place, and I was able to get the braids so neat and perfect using this product. You can order it online or you can pick it up at your local beauty supply store. The first thing that you want to do is apply this product right into the part on both sides. You want to put it on both sides just to keep the hair tamed and in place. You can also use a comb as well, which you guys will see me do here in just a second. So make sure you do this beforehand, and this will also help just make your part extra crispy. So now I'm going to go ahead and start my part for the braid. Now when I do my braid, I want it to be very skinny in the front, so I'm not going to part it with like a gang of hair in the front. As you guys can see, I just pulled a little bit of that hair out, and then I'm going to be curving the part as well, like going in an angle, so I'm not just going like straight across. You guys will see in just a second here. And this is why I like to use this kind of comb to do this. I wouldn't suggest using any other kind of comb but a rat tail comb like this, and you guys can already see it forming in that part right there. You also want to apply some more product and then perfect your part. That's why I really like this comb. Like, the comb is super bomb and perfect for braids. So this is my parting space. I'm going to start off by braiding this very front piece, and really it's like super tiny, you guys. Like, look how small this is. And then I'm going to progress as I go on. I wanted to start really small and then work my way up to adding more hair. So don't start off with like a really huge section. You guys see how small that is. Now if you ain't got no grip, then you might not be able to do it like this, but I've been like doing hair since I was 12 years old. So once I get to this part, I'm gonna stop here and then I'm going to finish up the parting. So I'm gonna use the comb and and I'm just going to perfect the part and just add a little bit more hair so it's not as skinny. And you can make this part as thick or as thin as you want, but I didn't want it to be too thin all the way around, so I did add a little bit more hair. But as you guys can see, the knots on this unit are very, very tiny and pre-bleached, so you don't have to worry about bleaching it or anything. And then just clip that part out of the way and then continue with your braiding process. Do the other side as well, not just that part, because you also want to make sure the part that's actually covering the tracks is perfected. So you guys see that, and I added more product to that, combed that part out of the way so we can make this nice and perfect. Y'all see that? Like, it's just so bomb. So now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this braid. I will see you guys at the end of the video and let you guys know my thoughts on this Unice curly unit.
Change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh my mind, yeah. Oh my, yeah. You know how it feels. You know how it feels. Oh my, pay the bills with my love for you. We'd be the richest in the fucking room. We'd be so comfortable till it's only you for me. No lie, I've tried what they offered, they're not who I want them to be. That's not an offer to me. If you're to be perfect, I feel like it's worth it. I know now that I've been the worst, but I love you better if you let me. Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around when you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try to come back when you face. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get me to stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make. You'll try to come back when you fail. I always want to do it, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get me to stop. insecurities for what? Drag me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always feel like sticking around's the same as being stuck. And like guns with the ink in you, getting under my skin. The little young thing, got a nigga confidence, got me too excited. Yeah. Play me. No doubt, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new nigga you got does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces? And all the pictures that I've seen lately, Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated, I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're still a baby. You share stories where you did amazing. Things to be loyal, things to be patient. That was before me, I must have changed it. Shifted your focus, lens looking jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase it. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You tryna come back when you famous. Rap to you real quick. I wanna enjoy the luxury of like not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Lord is flower bound, firefly. When I'm low, she take me high. Teach you all the sounds of love.
Flower bomb, let me guess your favorite fragrance. And you got that bomb. I'm trying to detonate you. No disrespecting, baby. Just try and make you smile. Try to keep my spirits up. That's why I lace it down. Try to keep your spirits up. Lil vodka, whatever. Took it forever to get dressed. I acknowledge your effort. So I clap for her. She deserves an applause. Shawty working so hard. She deserves that baton. Shawty, where your baton? Racing through my mind like she heard that. I got that work. I heard that she been on strike. Care to tell? Read your mind. She been on them dollars first. Caramel, macchiato. When Shawty get in the work, I can be your boyfriend, be your Vigo or a grand reverse. I'm just trying to work that. They just trying to work your nerves. I'm just trying to read your mind. I'm just trying to feed you mine. I'm just trying to keep you light. They just trying to leave you blind.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady, my baby?
Flower bomb, can I blow up on your mind? This is not no Sandra Bullock, but your potion number 9. Navigating through her eyes, destination to her thighs. And I hate to tell you too much, cause I stay with too much pride. And we way too young to know love. Maybe not, but we don't need no rush. Don't believe in love at first sight, but believe in love at first. Can I be with you just one night? I can wear you out inside. I can tell you like persistence, but I make you make me try. I just think we need one night. Can't decide if I can't right. Easy baby, my thing tight, but that lotus flower just ain't right. I ain't thinking I ain't right. Can't decide, but I can't fight. Easy baby, you the bomb and all, but if I did not land mine, or at least try, can I speak up? What's the peace out? Can we eat lunch? Can we take shots with your flavor? Flat drinks, we call A-cups. I just think I need one night. Slightly more if it's done right. With that gorgeous face, I don't know your name. It ain't important, baby, cause I'm all mine.
Fantasy, I feel it when you dance with me. It's feeling like you need to be my lady, my baby. Can't you see? I'm talking about eternity. Tell me, would you care to be my lady?
Hey, what's up everyone? It's Dom the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for Unice hair, and today I'm reviewing this, I want to say it's like a 7 by 5 inch closure unit. This is a curly unit, as you guys can see, and I've been seeing these units a lot lately, you know, the pre-cut units, the glueless units, and they pretty much do everything for you right out of the box. You don't have to worry about like bleaching the knots or like anything with these units these days. And I think it's a perfect thing for beginners because let's face it, a lot of us like to save money, and if you don't have to pay a hairstylist to do your hair for you and you can do your hair at home, it's just like a no-brainer, and this is a perfect unit for you. So today I styled my hair a little bit different. I wanted to do something more fun and creative and get in my bag, and that's exactly what I did today. I've been seeing this hairstyle kind of like floating around like on the internet, and I was like, you know what, I think I'm going to try to do that with a closure unit. And this was literally the perfect unit to do this with, especially because of the braid design that I did. I'm going to come up a lot closer so you guys can see what the braid design looks like. And I will say, I kind of snapped on the braids. Like, I'm actually pretty impressed how I was able to like braid it so tiny, because like it's so small, but like very neat and intricate. I really like how tiny the knots are, because look how natural it looks. The knots are already bleached for you. You don't need to use concealer or anything like that. Makeup on the lace will suffice. And just look at how good this looks, you guys. Like, this just looks so good and natural. And you still have, you know, space around the sides. And if you wanted to, you can definitely do like little space buns or something with it, or put some hair clips or even like some little pom-poms here, little bollies or something. But really like how this came out. And then I just did a little curly hair, and then the tracks literally start like right there, so you get just enough space so that you don't have to worry about the track showing. Tracks right there, but the hair go down like that. Y'all see the vibe and all of the parting space. So yeah, I really like this one, y'all. This is just, it looks so good, and I like my baby hair. Okay, period, because I did that. And this is with the closure unit, you guys, so you don't always have to buy a frontal. You can definitely get away with rocking a closure, and this is an amazing way that you can style your unit, or ask your stylist to do it if you don't know how to braid hair. But yeah, braiding it and putting these 2 ponytails was just like perfect. At first I was just gonna like do 1 ponytail at the top, but I was just like, you know what, let me show that parting space off, because I feel like if I did that, you wouldn't really be able to like see the parting space. And my whole point of doing this was just to really show you how much you can really do with a unit like this, because you know, a lot of us do like maybe a side part, a middle part, maybe a half up, half down, but no one probably thought that they can do something like this on a closure unit. And I absolutely love this unit, you guys. It just looks so amazing. I also like how flat I got it, like it's so nice and flat, and it's just very neat and well done. As far as the curls, they're just so beautiful. Like, I absolutely love them. As you guys see, I did tame the hair a little bit, but here is what it looks like from the side. You know, it all fits into the frame, so I don't really need to stand up, but you see where it's at, like right above. But yeah, the curl pattern is just so pretty. And for this to not have any product on it, like, it's just so bomb. Like, I didn't use a diffuser, a blow dryer, none of that. Just naturally allowed it to air dry and wet the hair. Like, that's just it. Fragrance free. It's amazing straight out of the box. Like, the curls are popping, the lace is bomb, and they already parted for you as well, so it comes in a middle part for you. This is literally one of those units where you can put some makeup on your lace, slide the unit on, and you're ready to go. You don't have to do the baby hairs. You don't have to even use the Ebin Wonder Lace spray. The only reason why I use this product, because it gives me an extra security, especially because I didn't want to do like, you know, these ponytails and everything like that. And if you do the ponytails and your unit isn't down, your unit's going to be sliding back. Your ponytails are probably going to be lopsided. So just, you know, keep that in mind as well. Even though I did this really crazy style, you can definitely get away with doing something more simple and more your speed, so don't get intimidated by the look. But I definitely enjoy this unit overall. I think Unice is an amazing company, and I really do appreciate them for sponsoring today's video. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, make sure you do check out the description box down below for a direct link along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.